Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to look together at how you can manage multiple LinkedIn accounts from a single Emelia account. Because you might want to run a campaign using your own LinkedIn account, for example, or launch campaigns using the LinkedIn accounts of colleagues, partners, associates, whoever it may be. You have the ability to do this thanks to Emelia's various subscription plans. You can connect up to 20 LinkedIn accounts. So, when managing these accounts, to make things simpler and smoother and to avoid any account disconnections, what I recommend is managing them using separate Google Chrome profiles. It's very simple. You'll see, I have a few myself. Here, you have a Google Chrome profile linked to the login of a LinkedIn account. So it's very simple to create one. You just need to click on Add a Chrome profile. Here, you'll select Continue without an account. There you go. You can choose any default browser, it doesn't matter. You can even assign it a color to help you remember it and give it a name. Here, I'm creating another one, but I've already made one for this video. This is just to show you the full process. There you go. We just created a Google Chrome profile in 30 seconds. So, I created one specifically for this video, which is right here. For example, in this use case, and the use case you're going to encounter regularly. Here, I already have a LinkedIn account connected to my Emelia account. So, it's Mathieu's LinkedIn account, my business partner. And I was able to connect it to my LinkedIn campaign. So that's great, that's all set. But now I want to connect my own LinkedIn account to launch another campaign with my personal LinkedIn account. So what I did was create a Google Chrome profile, just like we saw together earlier. And here I logged into the Emelia account, the same Emelia account as before. And at the same time, here I opened LinkedIn. Now I need to log into my own LinkedIn account. So here we're on the Google Chrome test demo profile. I could have named it Marie Google Chrome profile to remind myself that this is the Chrome profile where I'm logged into my account. So here we go, I'm logging into my LinkedIn account. Very good. So in this Chrome session, I'm properly logged into my LinkedIn account. And here I'm on a campaign. So I'm going to create a LinkedIn campaign, the Marie campaign. Here, I arrive at the general settings and I see that Mathieu's account is connected, but I want to connect my own account because this will be a campaign, a prospecting effort that I will carry out with my own account. So to do that, I need to download the extension on this Google Chrome profile. There we go. I click on download the extension, add to Chrome, add extension, and there you go, it's installed in 2 seconds. Also, I'm going to refresh the page, reload it. So now that I have the extension installed, I'll be able to click on connect a new account and automatically retrieve my cookie. And now Emelia has retrieved the login data from my LinkedIn account right here, thanks to the LinkedIn cookie, and is in the process of connecting my LinkedIn account to my Emelia account. So we have the little countdown that's about to finish. There we go. There, my face appears, my profile is properly connected. So it's very simple. Once I've set up my campaign settings, imported my contact list, and created my sequence, I click on Launch the Campaign right here. And once the campaign is launched, that's it. If ever in this Google Chrome profile I accidentally log into a LinkedIn account other than mine, and as a result, it breaks the connection between the campaign and my LinkedIn profile, I would simply need to log back into my Marie Laurent LinkedIn account in this Chrome session to re-establish the connection. But normally that shouldn't happen anymore. It's as simple as that. It's just that, to manage around 20 LinkedIn accounts on a daily basis, I recommend handling it this way, with one Google Chrome profile per LinkedIn profile. Always systematically connected to the same Emelia account each time to establish the connection. And on each Google Chrome profile, always re-download the Emelia Chrome extension. And there you go, it's no more complicated than that. For everything related to setting up the campaign in general, I'm including a link to a video that explains in detail how to set up a LinkedIn campaign on your Emelia account. I'll see you very soon in an upcoming video, and in the meantime, I wish you great prospecting. Have a great day.